Let's go outside.
Let's go outside.
It's near us.
It's near us.
I'm learning English.
I'm learning English.
What day is it?
What day is it?
I want to eat.
I want to eat.
That's too far.
That's too far.
Please write it down.
Please write it down.
I'm from America.
I'm from America.
Where's the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
This is so good.
This is so good.
What color is this?
What color is this?
I like cats.
I like cats.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Please open the door.
Please open the door.
What time is dinner?
What time is dinner?
I'm at home.
I'm at home.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
What is your job?
What is your job?
I need water.
I need water.
Can I see?
Can I see?
I want to sleep.
I want to sleep.
Who is she?
Who is she?
What is your name?
What is your name?
How much is it?
How much is it?
Is it close?
Is it close?
Do you like music?
Do you like music?
I am cold.
I am cold.
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
I have a question.
I have a question.
Can we eat?
Can we eat?
It's bedtime.
It's bedtime.
Where is my shirt?
Where is my shirt?
Can you help her?
Can you help her?
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
This is for you.
This is for you.
I like this song.
I like this song.
Do you want water?
Do you want water?
Where's my book?
Where is my book?
Are you hungry?
Are you hungry?
How do you do that?
How do you do that?
I need to go.
I need to go.
It's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
Can I have a cookie?
Can I have a cookie?
Can we play a game?
Can we play a game?
I see a bird.
I see a bird.
It's time to clean up.
It's time to clean up.
I am new here.
I am new here.
What's the weather like?
What's the weather like?
I like to draw.
I like to draw.
Are you my friend?
Are you my friend?
It's raining outside.
It's raining outside.
I want to go home.
I want to go home.
Can I wear this?
Can I wear this?
Can you jump?
Can you jump?
I have a big family.
I have a big family.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
It's too hot today.
It's too hot today.
It's my turn to play.
It's my turn to play.
I need some help.
I need some help.
Can you open the door?
Can you open the door?
It's very cold today.
It's very cold today.
What time is it?
What time is it?
I'm feeling happy.
I'm feeling happy.
Look at the stars.
Look at the stars.
I have a big dog.
I have a big dog.
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
I love to draw.
I love to draw.
It's very sunny today.
It's very sunny today.
I live in a big city.
I live in a big city.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream?
The car is very fast.
The car is very fast.
Turn off the light.
Turn off the light.
The flowers are beautiful.
The flowers are beautiful.
I play soccer on weekends.
I play soccer on weekends.
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
Where are my shoes?
Where are my shoes?
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
We go to school together.
We go to school together.
It's time for dinner.
It's time for dinner.
Can you help me cook?
Can you help me cook?
The movie was great.
The movie was great.
I am not feeling well.
I am not feeling well.
Close the window, please.
Close the window, please.
She is my best friend.
She is my best friend.
Look at that bird.
Look at that bird.
Why are you sad?
Why are you sad?
Jump higher.
Jump higher.
This cake is delicious.
This cake is delicious.
I lost my tooth.
I lost my tooth.
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
It's bedtime now.
It's bedtime now.
Where does he live?
Where does he live?
I want to be a doctor.
I want to be a doctor.
Let's make a sandwich.
Let's make a sandwich.
Can I use your phone?
Can I use your phone?